Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by parking the 2001 Toyota Avalon on level ground and setting the parking brake. Wear gloves and eye protection. Open the hood and locate the battery. Using a 10 mm wrench, disconnect the negative battery cable first to prevent electrical shorts. Gather tools: 10 mm, 12 mm, and 14 mm sockets, a 3/8-inch ratchet, a breaker bar, a small pry bar, and a multimeter. Have replacement alternator and new belt ready. Verify part fits the 2001 Avalon engine. With the battery negative disconnected, use a 3/8-inch ratchet on the tensioner to release belt tension and slide the accessory belt off the alternator pulley. Inspect the belt for wear and set it aside. Remove the electrical connector plug and the small wire held by a 10 mm nut. Label each connector with tape. Remove alternator mounting bolts using 12 mm and 14 mm sockets. Support the alternator as the last bolt is removed to avoid dropping it. Extract the alternator from the engine bay carefully. Place the replacement alternator into its mounting bracket and start the mounting bolts by hand to ensure alignment. Tighten them with a torque wrench to the manufacturer spec, typically 3040 FTLB. Reconnect the electrical plug and the small 10 mm wire terminal, then route and reinstall the accessory belt using the tensioner to set correct tension. Reconnect the negative battery cable. Start the engine. Use a multimeter at the battery to confirm charging voltage between 13, 8 and 14, 6 volts, and check for unusual noises or belt slip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.